flowering strips trial is a trial that is taking place at the Strategic Cereal Farm East and up in Scotland and in the West. All of these trials are looking at the role of grass and flower margins in boosting the populations of natural enemies, pollinators and beneficials. What we're looking at in this trial is the role of integrated pest management to reduce the inputs of pesticides and to build up the natural population of predatory insects for pest control.
So throughout the season, the team from NIAB have been setting traps for the pests. So they've been using chicken layer mash refuse traps for slugs, but also at the same time they're looking at what species would be helping to control the slugs from a farmer's perspective, and so they've had pitfall traps for ground beetles, which are the key species for the control of slugs at that time of the year. Also throughout the season they're also looking at the other key species, which are the aphids, and they are using different trapping techniques to make sure that we know and monitor the populations of the flying aphids coming into the crop, but also into the flowering margin. And then if the beneficials of those species are then present in the flowering strip, and if they are then moving out into the crop to help control the aphids. This trial is also being looked at the other strategic farms across the country, and so they are looking at cross-referencing the results of all the pests, all the beneficial species for controlling those pests, but also they're looking at pollinators, solitary bees and other key species in our farm landscape.